Welcome to phase 1 of the Patellofemoral Pain Syndrome or Runner's Knee Home Program. These are the things that we need you to do at home so that we can continue to progress in the office over the next 6 to 12 weeks to get you back to the things that you want to do, and while also helping you prevent injury in the future. Inside this video, we're going to have two different things that we want you to work on. That's the mobility aspect and the warm-up aspect. The mobility, as we talked about, needs to be done 4 to 5 times a day, but once you get the hang of it, it shouldn't take you more than a few minutes. The warm-up aspect, we want you to do at least 3 times a week before the running or basketball or whatever activities you like to do to help increase the success of the things that we are going to do in the office. Your adherence to this will directly impact your outcome and how quickly you get better. So put in the work.